Welcome to the open elective course of data structure. So unit 1 is introduction to database, in which we will discuss the basics of data structures. Okay, so this is the outline of our lecture. So first we are going to discuss why programming is important and why you are learning this course. And second is what is data, information and knowledge, and how these things are different from each other, and how we are going to use this in the data structure. And next is data management concept. So data structure, so it is a way of organizing the data in a computer so that it can be used effectively. For example, if we can store a list of items having the same date type using the array data structure. Okay, so we'll see the difference between the primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Okay, and then we have the type of data structure, in which we will first study the linear data structures. Linear data structures have data elements arranged in a sequential manner, and each member element is connected to its previous and next element. And this connection helps to traverse a linear data structure in a single run. Okay, and there is a non-linear data structure too. So non-linear data structure has no set sequence of connecting all its elements, and each element can have multiple paths to connect to each other element. Okay, so such data structure supports multi-level storage and can and often cannot be traversed in a single run. Such data structures are not easy to implement but are more efficient in utilizing computer memory. Okay, so in this we'll study the non-linear data structure like tree, binary search tree, graphs, and etc. Okay, now we'll see the performance analysis and measurement. So we will see. We'll see the performance analysis and measurement of an algorithm and the data structure associated with it. So generally the performance of algorithm depends on the whether the algorithm is provided the exact solution for the problem, whether it is easy to understand, whether it is easy to implement, and how much space, that is the memory, is it required to solve the problem, and how much time it takes to solve the problem, etc. And the performance analysis of the algorithm is performed by using the following measures. So first is time analysis of the algorithm. So time required to complete the task for that algorithm is your time complexity. That is the time analysis of the algorithm. And likewise, the space required to complete the task of that algorithm, that is the space complexity. It includes the program space and data space.